Hi. Today we will talk about Google Cloud and Web3 and how Google is embracing this massive piece of technology. New infrastructure advances are required to deliver performance improvements, and Google is optimizing 7 key workloads with workload-optimized infrastructure. Google is also creating Web3 optimized infrastructure, and Web3 leaders like Nansen, Solana, Block Dapper Labs, and Sky Mavis are already using Google Cloud to focus on innovation. But today, at Next 22, Google announced its new partnership with Coinbase. With this strategic partnership with Google, Coinbase Web3 powerful services will be exposed into Google Cloud, allowing developers to go there and access the whole world of blockchain data for building Web3 apps quickly without having to manage and run their own nodes for all the different types of blockchains out there. Coinbase will create advanced exchange and data services to provide its customers with machine learning-based cryptographic insights based on BigQuery and Vertex AI. And in terms of digital asset custody, Google will use Coinbase Prime as its crypto broker and custodian. Instantly scale with demand and get low-latency networking everywhere using Google's own backbone to provide low-latency access to your applications for your customers globally. You can protect digital assets end-to-end by submitting and authorizing digital assets transactions using Google Cloud KMS to manage encryption keys and sign transactions using hardware security modules. But most of all, you can get to market faster by easily building, deploying, and managing code changes with Firebase, Google Kubernetes Engine, and Google Compute Engine. With these new capabilities, Google let you easily analyze on-chain data. Streaming blockchain data in real time into BigQuery via global PubSub distribution for on-demand analysis and integration. Analyzing blockchain data with BigQuery, which automatically scales to thousands of cores in seconds. Using Dataflow and Serverless Spark as fully managed and highly scalable services for running Apache Spark and Apache Beam workloads. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed this last Google Cloud news.